but then nimekuwa nikikuona around. Can I get your number? Hello.
Hello.
Can I take you for a dinner date?
Listen, I have a husband, sawa? Nimeolewa. And I also have a kid on the way. Tafadhali wachana na mimi.
Haki ya Mungu ni mambo gani?
Excuse. Naweza chukua selfie naye?
Oh, haya. Hello.
Hello.
Nilikuwa nauliza kama naweza kuja nikupikie dinner.
Unaweza kuja?
Okay.
Finally you are here.
Yes.
Yes. This is the kitchen.
Oh, this is the kitchen. Bedroom?
Bedroom.
Yes, bedroom.
Bedroom.
Yes, yes.
Bedroom.
Yes, bedroom.